How long did your credit card balance go unpaid if it tripled? Let's just stop right there. That's a question of time. And we do know the rate is 0.138. That's a high interest rate. Please pay your credit cards off, or just don't even have credit cards at all. For real, like really, don't. You don't need them. Compounded monthly, so there we go. And then it says, it says it was triple. So if it's tripled, then what was the original amount? It doesn't matter. Okay, we are dealing with money and an account. I had a friend in college that I'm going to just stop and tell a story. I had a friend in college that got into a lot of financial problems with credit cards. Very smart guy, but was making some very bad financial decisions. Like he bought all kinds of electronics. I mean, thousands and thousands of dollars worth of stuff at Best Buy. And this was in the 90s. And like the thousands and thousands of dollars then was even more than it is now. And so not worth it. You don't need the credit card. All right, anyway, you didn't need the life lesson. You needed to get number 6 done. The credit card balance tripled, so it doesn't matter what it started at as long as this is 3 times that amount. So we're in this situation again. Let's grab a 20-sided die. Let's see what the credit card balance was. 12,000. Let's make this sound scary. $12,000. Well, if I triple that, then I'd have 36,000. I just rolled and made that up, okay? So don't be like, where did you get that? It's not in the problem. Doesn't matter. This is 3 times that. 1 plus R. Look at that high interest rate. Don't do it, folks. 12T. Okay, now when we divide by 12,000, you get a 3 right here. And then we're going to have some numbers there. And again, the purpose of this problem really is so we can just look at it and say, well, it tripled. And so if you're looking back at this problem, you're like, where did he get that from? It, again, doesn't matter. Make up whatever number you want as long as you triple it. You want to go easy on this? $1, $3. Much less work to do. Just saying. 1 plus 0.138 divided by 12. 1.0115 to the 12t. And we are ready for a logarithm. So log base 1.0115 equals 12t. So let's do it. And that's going to be 96.080 equals 12t. We're going to divide that by 12, and that's going to tell us how long our credit card balance went unpaid. Our credit card balance went unpaid for 8. And if you want to put more decimals with that, you can. I kind of engineered this to where it would really turn out as 8. You know what? To be consistent, I will do that. 0.007. 8.007 years. Yeah, well, by that point, the creditors are calling. So, yeah, it's just tragic. You don't need a credit card. Have I said that already? All right, number 7, money is invested into an account that earns 5.4% interest compounded monthly. Let's just start listing what we know. R is 0.54, and monthly is 12 times a year. How long does it take to double in value? Again, they're asking for time, and they're asking how long it takes to double in value, so it doesn't matter what number you pick. We're just going to double it, so let's go really fast on this one. So same formula, A equals P. I don't want to write the formula again. You'll memorize it better if you do. Let's suppose it started with $1 and ended with 2. There, already got a lot of the work done. See, there's your 1, there's your 2. So 1 plus 0.054 over 12, and we're going to raise it to the 12t. At this point, I think we're ready to kind of skip some steps. Okay, this is logarithmic form. We just need to figure out what that is. So let's just go ahead and jump straight to the next line. This is a 2, and this is a 12t. I just don't know what that is. So I'm going to find it. 1 plus 0.054 divided by 12, and not write every single little step at this point. The purpose of this problem is so we can gain some speed. So let's go. 1.0054, 2. 154,379 is equal to 12t. We're going to divide that by 12, and we get 12,865 equals t. How long does it take to double in value? Oh, round to the nearest tenth of a year. Okay, so 12.9 years. That is not 12 years and 9 months, just saying. That is 12 and 9 tenths of a year, but years are not broken up into tenths.